Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple here on YouTube. I'm the Carolina Chef. I know, no chef outfit, but if some of you guys have already seen the short of kind of the preview of this video, you will already know why I had to change clothes. So we had a little fun in between this video and also in this video. So make sure you watch this to the end because it's quite hilarious. And me and the boys had a lot of fun. We made these awesome brownies. They're called the Candy Attack Brownies. I'd come up with a different name, but my oldest was like, I don't like that name. I said, well, you come up with a name. And he come up with Candy Attack because we're using like 5 different candies in this video to make these brownies. And they are awesome and taste great. We've probably already ate, I don't know, 7 or 8 this evening, if that doesn't tell you anything. So go ahead and smash that like button and let's play. Before we get started, click on this little link right here and it will take you to all of our simple dessert recipes. Let's get started. We have our brownie mix, which I like Betty Crocker. This is a fudge brownie mix. And we will only be using 2 eggs because it's going to make it more fudgy. So if you want more cake-like brownie, use 3 eggs. So I'm going to let my little helper here put the half a cup of oil in. Good job, buddy.
Hello.
And set this over here. We got 2 tablespoons of water. Just dump it in there.
Is that all?
Yep. And then we'll get our egg here. There's 1. And here's 2.
Ow!
Party foul. You okay?
Did
that really hurt? Did it?
It did.
And our second egg. Let's take a break for these commercials. You okay, buddy? It didn't work. Your hand's not hard enough. All right, let's start mixing here.
How about we dump the last egg on Daddy's head? Are we gonna do that?
I don't know. I don't know if I want you to crack an egg. It's already been cracked on my head. Does that smell good, buddy?
It smells good. I want to eat it right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. But it's not ready. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to eat it now because it has raw eggs in it, and those could make you sick. We have everything mixed up. We're going to get this out of our whisk.
Whisk.
Calm down. Using some leftover candy from Christmas. And we were I was gonna call it the kitchen sink. He didn't like it, so he come up with the Candy Attack Brownies. So we have brownies, or we have all kinds of candy here. We have
Kisses?
Yep. Snickers.
White chocolate Reese's Christmas tree.
Yeah. Okay, what's this?
And these are M&Ms.
And what's that? Rolos. So you want to make sure when you're putting this stuff in that you're getting it spread out real good. So we have a good mix of candy on top of our brownies. We're going to put these in the oven. It says at 350. We're going to put them at 325 just to help the cooking process since we've added all this candy. And then we'll cook it for between 20 to 25 minutes. We'll use a toothpick to make sure they're done. So we'll stick it in the middle. If batter comes out, then you know they're not done. But if it comes out clean, we are ready to eat. Simple cooking made simple. So we did a video, and I tried to crack an egg on this young man's head, and it didn't work too well. So I told them they both could do it to me. So here we go. I'm going to count to 3, and then they're going to try to crack the egg. Safety first. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, you got it.
Wait, is it open?
Okay.
It didn't work.
I know.
It didn't work.
It didn't work. So here, let me show you how it's done.
Oh, Daddy,
This is what you do to crack an egg.
Oh my! Look at the floor. Oh my! The floor's all messy.
Well, we hope you guys had fun. Come to Simple Cooking for some fun, simple recipes. So we ended up cooking these for about 22 minutes. And I know, I'm out of uniform, but I had to change my clothes because we did this little short video in between here where they try to crack an egg on top of my head, but then they couldn't do it. So then I had to show them how it was done, and I got egg everywhere. It was quite funny. So I hope you guys have seen that video and you enjoyed it because we had fun doing it, I think, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you have fun doing it? Yeah.
That was a mess on the floor.
Yeah, it was a huge mess. So this is what our brownies look like. They look great. We'll let them cool off a little bit more, slice it up so you guys can see that at the first of this video, which you've probably already seen because you've already watched the first part. So, you know, we hope you guys have enjoyed this video and hope you had some laughs with us. And make sure you do the 4 S's. Smash that like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe, and set your notifications. And also leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you thought it was funny or if it wasn't funny, he's okay. He's not hurt. He didn't get hurt. I think he was more in shock than anything. But thanks so much, guys. We appreciate you watching. And thanks for watching. God bless.